useful. I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 12, electricity. Now, as what I told you, we have completed this thing, but we were talking about word problems. Now let's see the first one. It says a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. So you are cutting it into 5 equal parts. The piece of wire has resistance. The total wire is resistance R. So what is the resistance of one part, each part? Okay. So here what they are talking is, if you see the first one, the resistance of each part of wire is R upon 5 because the total resistance. So here, and then we said we are going to connect them in parallel. So basically each of them, so can I say 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2, 1 upon R3, 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon R5. So 1 upon R dash is equal to 1 upon R upon 5, 1 upon R upon 5, right? As in the values of all are same because they all are made up of equal. So 1 upon R dash is equal to 5 upon R, right? We get all same. And as you see the LCM is R, what we can do is 1 upon R dash is equal to 25 upon R. So basically R upon R dash is equal to 25 ohm, and that's our answer. Clear? Have a look, see. So what is the answer for the first one is D. Okay, 25 ohm. How? As what I already told you. Now they have given you which of the following terms do not represent electric power. Which of the following term do not represent electric power? As you can see, the power has VI, V square upon R, I square R, right? Can you see this 3? So first is there, second no, third. So basically B is the answer because they said which do not represent. Now in the third one they said there's a bulb, his voltage is given 220 and the power is given 100 volt. Voltage is given 220 and the power is given 100 watt. So, and then the same device has been operated by 110 watt. Then we have to get power. Same device is for 110 watt, then we have to get power. So basically what we have to do is, here we are finding the relation. Now if the potential difference changes, the current also changes, so we cannot use I formula. So basically we are using P is equal to V square upon R. Okay, so P R is equal to V square upon P. So it is 220 square upon 100. So when you solve this, you get 484 ohm. Now we are going to use the same formula, P is equal to V square upon R. Now V is 110 volt and R is 484. Now how can I use this R directly here? Because the device is going to be same. So basically the resistance is also going to be same. So when you try to solve this, you are going to get 25 watt. 25 watt. That is the answer. Okay. So what is the answer for the C1? 25 watt. Okay. Now I want you to give you a homework. Try to solve question number 8. Okay. That's easy. Also, can you find out this one, 6? Try to solve these 2 questions. We will see more. So basically it is going to take 2 more days for us to complete this chapter. So that's it for a day. Just see it well. Word problems are very important. I'm going to tell you the series combination for the electric circuit also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.